Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an introduction and an end text to your survey. The introduction text will be the first thing the respondents see when they open the survey. Go to the Introduction tab, and let's paste some text that I've prepared for this demo. In my text, I have stated the purpose of the survey, and also I have given some instructions to the respondents. The text can also be added and edited in the HTML editor. If we don't add any text here, the respondents will go directly to the survey questions. Now, let's add an image. This is easily done by clicking on this icon here. And if you want to add a link, you can do that here. Just highlight the text and press the link button, add a link and press OK. When you're done, press save. Now we're going to add an end text. This is what the respondents will see when they're done with the survey. So let's add a thank you here. You can align it how you want, left, middle or right. We recommend that you always write a closing text to thank the respondents taking their time to answer the survey, just to be nice. So that's all for this demo. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.